Today I'm going to introduce GM-01 ground mounting system developed by Young Zone Solar. Our system allows for very flexible installation conditions, such as up to 60 degrees maximum terrain slope and tilt angle from 0 to 60 degrees, which is higher than the typical industry average of 0 to 45 degrees. Conveniently, the design is compatible with both framed and unframed panels. Aluminium and stainless steel components provide durability and ensure long service life. Intelligent design makes installation quick and easy, saving time, money and effort. All system parts are pre-assembled and pre-drilled in-house. It takes a few simple steps to install the product. Ground screws are quickly inserted into the ground by an automatic pile driver. The support base is fastened to the screws by stainless steel bolts. Expandable load-bearing beams are mounted on the base, and rails are fixed to the beams with rail clamps. A reinforcement structure is added to the rear pillar to additionally secure the system from mechanical impact. Finally, panels are securely attached to the rails with high-quality clamps. As a further guarantee to your investment safety, we offer a competitive 15-year warranty. Our company, with more than 10 years of experience, is a trustworthy manufacturer of solar mounting systems with smart design and high-quality components. Our annual production capacity is 1 gigawatt. So far, the global cumulative installed capacity has reached up to 10 gigawatts. Hundreds of big-scale projects have been successfully implemented in more than 100 countries and regions, including Japan, the United States, Australia, Europe, the Middle East, Africa and Southeast Asia. We are currently one of the largest exporters of photovoltaic products in China.